What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Rello. And welcome back to Rello's World. And you know what I'm saying? I had these I was at work the other day chilling, and we actually got these slushies. I had the blue raspberry with an extra shot of sour. It was banging. But we got them for being safe at work and it's been hot or some shit like that. But we were walking outside to this little icy truck or whatever. I found this little adorable family of groundhogs living, I guess, underneath my work. We got a couple clips and hope y'all enjoy it. Nah, they ain't digging that.
Nope.
Let me see if I can zoom in on it.
That's great.
2 of them. 3 of them. Is it 3 of them in there?
3? Oh, come on.
It is chilling.
No, I think
On another episode of Nature Watch. The groundhog. If you like and enjoyed that video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. So every time I post a video, you will be notified. And you know what I'm saying? It's the Rello's World fam. And we're gonna keep it being poppin'. We're gonna keep being poppin'. That's our goal. You know what I'm saying? So please like and subscribe, comment down below. Tell your friends. As always, I'm Rello. This is Rello's World.